We're gonna come back out.
Yeah, I know.
Honestly, I think I want to go take a shit. And then I think I'm still going to do.
This is the best day of my life. Bye bye, Keith.
Good luck with your video.
Bye bye.
I hope it works out. I always like meeting new creators. Those two were a couple of real goofs. I know I said today's episode was 2 segments, and that was technically a 3rd segment, but I hope you can understand that I didn't see that segment coming. Otherwise, I would have included that in my introductory statement to this video. Now it's time for part 2, which is also part 3, headphones. I shot this next part like a week ago, but I wanted to have some test time so it would make sense. This will be a comprehensive review of these new Bose headphones. I can't run in these because the way that the ear cup fits here, it fills up with sweat. It's disgusting. After like 2 weeks, the headphones start to smell like a foot. You put them on your head, and your head smells like a foot. It's just, they're not good for running. I have tried Apple's EarPods. I like them, but my main phone is a Note 8. I don't like to run with my iPhones. It's not water resistant, so. And honestly, the thing about the EarPods is they don't like block out enough of the surrounding sound. I'm hoping for.
It's so frustrating. I just want to hear my music.
When I'm running and it's freezing cold outside, I don't want to be messing with these. I just want to run. This left one here kept getting disconnected from the right one. Music coming here and not here. And this is a software issue, Bose. I hope you can fix this. But in the meantime, I have to amend.
Come on, speak. Hey, shh, shh. Come on, speak. 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 What is wrong with you? What? 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 No, you're getting me dirty. No. No. You're getting me dirty. No. Shh. No. 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 Speak. 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 Speak.
See the couple things I sent you?
What?
Did you see the couple things I sent you?
No.
The Siri voices were recorded in 2005, in the month of July, 4 hours a day for the whole month. So when I recorded those voices, I had absolutely no idea where they would end up. My voice can be heard on many GPS systems,
Come here.
many telephone systems.
Hey.
Damn.
Siri. Who is the real voice of Siri? When I first discovered that
Hey.
that was my voice.
Where's he
To
going?
be honest, it was a little creepy.
Yes, it appears to be raining.
I'm used to hearing my voice maybe in the airport. Thank you for using Delta Airlines.